What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, bing, and so you wouldn't miss a video. Smash that like button. If you don't like my videos, still smash that like button. It will really help me out. Uh, so, all right. What my channel is about is softwares that I use, my go-to softwares. I mainly use Create Studio, so I do walkthroughs on Create Studio. They just went to Create Studio 4.0, so I'm loving it. If you guys haven't got a copy of it, I'll put a link in comments in a pinned comment. So if you're interested, I'll even give you 10 free bonuses. But anyway, I'm just, since I mentioned it, that's why, I'm offering it. Um, Again, I'm going to give 10 free bonuses. But if you want to get Create Studio, they don't offer that. I offer that. But anyway, this video ain't about Create Studio. So if you want to hide your icons on your desktop, it's very, very easy, guys. You want a clean desktop to work with because you're recording you want to start on your desktop or however it may be. I mean, I don't know why you want to hide your icons, but this is how you do it. Boom. So you go in view, you go down here, show icons on desktop, boom. It's that fast and easy, guys. Alright, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.